to have you here once again. Let me see. Allow participants. Okay. All right. Wow. It's nice to have you, and we give all glory to God for a fantastic day like this. And I know there's always somebody that wants to say, thank God you went out, you came back, you are not a victim of COVID-19. We thank God. We are not rejoicing over those ones. We pray for perfect healing. You are here. You even, for the fact that you even have data to be on this Zoom call, I want you to just type thank God in the chat box. Just type thank God. Thank God. Let's be grateful. Let's be grateful. We want to learn. It said the art of gratitude will determine your altitude. Just put thank God, thank God, thank God. Thank God. Thank God for everything that you do. Thank God for His grace. Thank God for your children. Thank God for the intelligence that you have even to learn something. He said, I'm the God that gives you the power to make wealth. No matter what anybody teaches you, it takes God to give you that understanding and wisdom. Yes, I have about 30, yes, about 30 something persons here now, right now on the Zoom call. Now we are also on Facebook Live. So if you can't get it very well on the Zoom, maybe you can just go on Facebook Live. You can go on Facebook Live. I wonder why we've not even tried it all these days. Like, I can see some people can't hear me, but I guess they can hear us on Facebook Live if they go there. So if you're on Facebook Live, you can click on share the message with others and things. We are also recording the session so that you can, if you don't get, maybe you watch it later, you can, once you're in the group, the video is always dropped in the group chat. You can always watch it again. Once again, this is your friend and partner, Olushola Popola, chartered accountant, investment advisor, and also a life coach. We're here and we've been in the past 3 days helping people to understand more about the international market, debunking the myth therewith, where people are so afraid to take or venture into it. We made it a free training, just like our own give back since the time the COVID-19 started in the month of April. And what are we doing? Just, I always say it, that people sharing rights. We say, what can we share? Let's share knowledge. And if the people can, afford to put up their data, then we are here to teach. And since that time, we've been making teaching, and the joy is seeing a lot of people having a different understanding of this entire business and in totality. So, and thank God you are part of this now. Learn a skill set that will transform your life, a skill set that will help you. Some of you may not know that you need extra income. Some of you know, but some of you don't even know how much extra income you need. I can assure you that this can give you that extra income that you need. At the end of this class, I'll be making some analysis. I like teaching financial intelligence so that you will know how much do I need, how much do I really need to get along every time. And in the course of the period, I think we always try to do something. We try to avoid it, but at times, some people will tell you, oh, this person teaching you, are they really earning the income in this stuff? Are they really making the money there and things? In most of our classes, even though we try to avoid it, but you don't want to be challenged unnecessarily. I always say something that the people that will help you to become successful must be successful in that thing that they are doing also. So that will determine what level of success you two will achieve. What can you aspire to? In the previous classes, we always kind of show daily results, so to speak, so that it will build your confidence that truly, some people are truly doing some things with in respect to this training. So I just quickly, just in a very, very short this thing, what I want to do is to share one of the results with us, but I'm getting the signal that time is going, but maybe when the class is in full session, let me quickly, because it works. So whether you want to trade in cocoa, you want to trade in coffee, whatsoever you want to trade, ladies and gentlemen, this platform will give that to you, whatsoever. And we have the tools. We have the tools that helps us. It's not this thing. Let me show you. Let me quickly show you this aspect. One of the tools that we use. Let me show you this. Let me show you this. Can I share the screen? Well, this guy's stopping it here. Let me show you this. Okay. That's on Facebook. Okay. All right. This is one of our trading tools. You know, like I always tell people, you don't need to do analysis that will lead to paralysis. If there's a means where I can get, instead of driving manual car, I can drive an automatic car, then I want to do that. So one of the tools that we use is this. And this morning, some of our traders took advantage of what this instruction that the thing gave. You don't have to do, just as I said, no analysis that will lead to paralysis. You just follow the instruction. And these guys follow the instruction. Sorry, I'm just trying to join. I'm trying to connect to the Zoom meeting with my mobile device. I think the result of that, what I'm trying to show is on that. I can do it more on this. That's 241. Sorry, I thought I had it on this device for 61. Okay. All right. Just to show you something, how people are benefiting. Now, this, look at this. I know you can't, some of us may not understand all this jaga on this thing now. If you look at this, something we call, this is the pair. We call this pair GPP AUD. BP AUD, that's pounds versus Australian dollar. The whatever, we call it the combo, the super strategy. It tells us here, we learned that more in our advanced class. It tells us there, buy. It gives you the indication to buy. And this trader took advantage of this and bought. He bought the market from here. Look at from here today. This, we are talking about fifth. Well, okay. Fifth, this is fifth. This is the fifth. Look at the date below. Look at, now, you see how this thing went to. You will think this is ordinary line, blue line, red line, blue line. You don't know that this is serious money. Serious money. Let me unshare this one now. Let me unshare this one and then share the one on the phone. Let me share the mobile phone now. Share screen. Okay. All right. So what you are seeing now, is my mobile phone, the screen of my mobile phone. All right. So if I click here, look at this. Now, this is the result of a trade. Either this is the result of a particular trade, AUD, USD. Let me show you here. Let me show you here. This trader took advantage of that, and the result is fantastic. I think it was AUD, USD I wanted to really push out there. Let's see. Okay, look at, oh, sorry, let me put, you know, juggling between two devices. Huh? Okay, just to make you see that when we are talking here, we mean business. We mean business. Let me share the screen here. All right. Okay. Let's see this. All right. Now, this is the pair. This is AUD USD. And it says buy. Look at it here. It says take a buy here. And this trader bought, boom, went up this way. Went up. Can you see the date is 5th? The 5th. That's, I think today is the 5th now. Yeah. It went up. Boom, 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 boom. Now it closed it here and the thing says sell. Now let me show you the impact of what I have just shown you now. That's on the trade. Let me stop this now and then go to the phone, juggling between phones and this now. Okay. Now this is the mobile phone share. This is the mobile phone share. Look at it. That's the result. Follow the instruction. This one, this, I'm not talking of the upper one, the lower one. That's today's trade. Look at it, 5th, 8th to 2020, 339. I know 339 is not a big, $339 sounds small, but if we are going to use a small calculator to calculate how much is 339 times, is it 470 now or 450 or whatever? That's about 152,000 naira. So somebody is sitting down at home in this period, lockdown. That man made about this amount of money. And somebody will sit down there and tell you that the thing is not working. Ladies and gentlemen, think again. Put more time to this skill. Pay more attention to this skill. It works, and it will work for you if you decide to work it. Do you understand? I will still, there are some other accounts that we could still show, but you know, we don't always just have that mentality that this skill works. So ladies and gentlemen, I intended to make just 10 minutes there. I've taken so much time into the training. Some of you enjoyed the one of yesterday where Mr. Kule showed us some basic things. Today we said we are going to be, because some people say, let's see the practical. That's the part of the practical that will show you. You know, some people say, you know, there are demo accounts, there are live accounts. You are seeing the live account. Of course, we'll be playing demo now at these levels. Well, ladies and gentlemen, tonight, in case you are just joining us for the very first time, we have the privilege of inviting this person, just like I said, for those of you that were here yesterday, over 25 years of experience in the banking industry and worked basically as a head of treasury department in some of the major banks in Nigeria. And today is in retirement, in business now, teaching and helping people to succeed. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's welcome Mr. Kunle Majekodumi.
Oh, I'm here. I am here, okay. Live and direct.
Okay, I was
enjoying what you are doing there. $339. No, that's a cool one. That's a cool one. I withdrew $180 yesterday. And I thought that was a good one. Now, when I hear your 329, it's like, I've not done enough, you know? All right, that is very good. That is very good. That's very
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. It's so nice to be with us again tonight. And if you are there live and direct and you can hear me, I want you to know that tonight is practical. And I want to just show you how it is done. I just want to show you how it is done. If I am a bit fast, you have to know it is because of the time. But the beautiful thing is that we are recording it and you can watch it again. How is it done? Mr. Popola just showed us how the money is made, the end results of what we are inviting you to do. That's the end result of what we are invited to do. But how did it start? Where is the beginning? Well, the truth is that you already started, because the starting task starts from the knowledge, and that knowledge is what you are acquiring right now. Before it gets to that level, to get $329 dollars or thereabouts in a day from trading, you will spend a bit of time. You will spend a bit of time. It comes with a lot of understanding. But the truth of the matter is that people are doing it every day. You know what happened? Two incidents happened. Today is practical, and I'm going to cover everything. I was out somewhere. Someone says they were talking about, why did you not use face mask? Okay, all of you should be using face mask when you are going out. Okay, and the guy was like, "It's a lie. They are just using the thing to take money." He has never seen anybody that has coronavirus. So for him, it's a lie. I am just a bystander. I'm not part of the discussion. I just turned, I look at the guy, and inside of me, I shook my head. I pity this person. Does it have to happen to your father, to your brother, to your uncle, to your relative before you believe? Okay? And that is exactly what this is all about. You may not know one person that is drawing on a weekly basis $1,000, $2,000, or $5,000 from trading online. But that does not invalidate the fact that people are doing it. People are doing it. Okay? I have a friend, started together doing this 4 years ago. He made, in one day, he said his aim was to make $10,000 in one day of trading, because at that time he was already making 1,000, 2,000. Anytime he sits, he doesn't trade every day, but anytime he trades, he can make $2,000, $3,000. So he sets for himself a goal to make $10,000 one day in trading. And let me tell you, he achieved it. In fact, he surpassed the day he was going to surpass it. He made $24,000 in one day trading. $24,000. It is happening today. People are drawing from trading online. If you don't know them, it does not mean it doesn't happen. So tonight, I want to show you some of the practical side of what you will be needing to be able to get to that level. We will be talking about MT4. I sent a video out yesterday and some narration to help you. Some people say that because they don't understand it. So tonight I will put it into practice, and then you can put the two together and to be able to set up your own MT4. Let's go to my screen and let's share the message for tonight. So tonight we will be focusing on trading with MT4. We said it's a practical class, and the objective that for you to understand how to set up your phone, how to open an account, how to trade, and how to also draw from your account. But the first thing we want to tell you, which I did yesterday, is that you need to know who a broker is. We talked about a broker as that company or firm that provide traders access to the trading platform, where you can do your buying and selling on foreign currency, on commodities, on precious, whatever you want to trade that is allowed. That is a broker. And we said that you will need them. You cannot have direct access to the platform. You need a broker to be able to trade, okay? And so you have to get, and we try and open an account with one of them today. We open that account on a platform we call Metatrader4. Metatrader4. It is a trading platform that was created in 2005, though it is commonly associated with Forex trading. But the truth is that it is used for all the forms of online trading that you want to think of. It also helps you to do some automation on your account. And that is why you can set some, you can give it some order, some instruction. You are not there, your phone can be trading on your behalf. You just set some parameters and your phone can be trading on your behalf. You enter into a trade, you tell your phone, if this happens, do this for me. If this happens, do this for me. And you can go to bed. And those are the things that Metatrader4 have installed. You will continue to learn about Metatrader4 for a long time. Okay, so this might be just the beginning for you. I'm going to show you one on the phone and also try to see if we can show you one on the laptop as well. So what do you want to do? You want to install Metatrader4 and create a trading account. So we will do this on your phone and on your laptop. We will create a broker's account and open a demo account also. I will show you how to open a live account. For most of you, if you have never traded before, please don't start trading with your live money. You might have an experience that you will join those 97% of people out there, maybe they are even more than that, that believe that this thing doesn't work. We all did it. We're thinking that, I have money. Because once they told me what is possible, I thought, let me just quickly go inside and start making money. It is not like that. I traded for several banks, both in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. The platform is different. We are not using Metatrader4 for that one. The platform is different. It's a corporate platform. We have direct access to the market, okay? And so we make so much money. I mean, I worked in treasury. I've been treasurers for nothing less than 3 different banks, both in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. I have supervised treasury across a region, the eastern and southern region of Africa, for my bank, covering about 6 countries at that time. I understand that trading works. I know that there's a lot of money to be made. Banks are doing it very well. That is why they will send someone that is trading for them to go on courses that is going to cost millions of naira. They don't know, they don't care. They know that you go for those training. When you come back, you are going to make 1,000 times that amount of money. And that is why in treasury, we happen to be the ones that normally get the fattest bonuses at the end of the year because we make a lot of money for our banks. Okay, so tonight we will do all this. In addition to this, so what I'm talking about is that I want you to be your own bank, to trade your own account, trade your own money and make money. Don't depend on money being made for you by the bank. How much interest will they give to you? If you put 20 million with a bank today, I'm talking about today, do you know what you're going to get? Less than 10%. Less than 10%. Treasury bill is doing less than 10%. Okay, I understand most banks are doing about 3, 4, 5, 6% right now, no matter the amount of money that you bring along. Okay, be your own banker. Mr. Popola showed us the possibility on day 1 on this platform. If you miss it, go and look at day 1 video and see the possibilities of how you can be your own banker. What we do on MT4 today, we will treat how to add currencies, how to create a broker account, open an account, how to do execution, instant execution, pending orders, entry, and all these things we will see, including how to withdraw from your account. And then we will also see what we mean by a trading decision. All right. Now, Mr. Popola, if you are there, I don't know whether you are still there. I need you to please enable my other phone, my phone as the host, so that I can use it. If you are there.
Okay, just hold on, sir. Just a minute.
All right, sir. So what we will be doing today, I will start from how you can install Metatrader4. It's a very simple process. Thank you so much, sir. It's a very simple process. It doesn't take 2 minutes to have it, and it is free. Then you will open an account with any broker of your choice. And once you open an account, you can create a demo account. The broker will give you, I think, about $3,000. You start practicing whatever you have been taught. Tomorrow, we are going to have someone in-house who will going to show you very simple tricks how to make money. Simple ones. I'm not talking about big ones. I mean, just simple trick how to make money. How you can wake up in the morning by looking at certain things on your phone. And if those certain things happen, you can enter the market and make some little money for yourself. All right. Now, let me go and share my phone. Okay. And what I want to do right now is I want to install Metatrader4 on my phone if I don't have one. The process is simple. Go to Play Store. That's my Play Store there. I click on Play Store. I'm going to type Metatrader4 in there. Because I've done this a lot of time, it is always showing. Meanwhile, I need you to understand that there is Metatrader5 as well. That is not what we want to do right now. I know some people have Metatrader5. It is also a trading platform. It's actually an enhanced version of Metatrader4. But that is not what we want to do today. Metatrader4 is what I need. And I will install. On my own, it's showing open. For you, it will show install. It's showing open for me because I already have it on this phone. So for you, it will show install. Just click on install. You click on install. It will install on your phone, and that is the process. That is it. Very simple. Once you click install, it goes through a process of downloading. If it did not download on your phone, there are two things that may happen. Your network is bad. Okay? Or you do not have space on your phone for it to land. Those are the major two things that could happen on your phone. Some people will tell me maybe their phone is not enabled to do it. I don't know about that. Those are the only two things I know they might prevent it. So once you have it, you open Metatrader4, okay, and that is one on my phone. That is one. This is the screen. In fact, what you will see is not going to be exactly like this. Let me show you how you will see it on your own. This is what you are going to see on your own. It's as plain as this. You will see it as plain, where you have the currencies. That's what you're likely to see first, currencies, and then you have the quotes, the buy and the sell. The quotes you are seeing there is what your broker is they are offering. That is your broker's quote for all those things. Right now, I may not have so many. Oh, I have quite. This is something that I've installed already. So I have cotton, I have cocoa, I have coffee, I have soya beans, I have sugar, I have wheat, I have gold. Gold is there. I can trade all these things on my account, and I can trade more. Anything that my broker is offering me that I want to trade, I can trade it. What that also means is that it is not everything that your broker may have. You might want to trade certain things. For example, I might want to trade cryptocurrencies, and some brokers might say they are not offering it. So you might need to look for a broker that offers that particular thing that you want to trade. But be as it may, when you open this, you might not have it full like this. You might have only about 7 items showing. So you need to add all those currencies and commodities and gold and whatever, and oil that you want to trade. Whatever your broker is offering, you want to bring it to your, what we call the market watch page. This front page is what we call it. And how to do that is to click that plus sign up there, and I go in there and I can bring it. I have major Forex, I have gold, I have silver, I have oil, I have China. That is indices that we have there. We have commodities. Whatever your broker is offering, you will see it here. All you need to do is you go there, you go in there, and you will see it. Once I click it, it will disappear from here. It will go to my opening page. Once I click it, it will disappear. If you see the next one there, card CHF, if I click it, it disappears. Where has it gone to? It has gone to the opening page. You will see it down there. You see all of those ones that I just clicked down there. It has come to my, so that is how you fill your opening page with currency. What I did earlier on in terms of creating all those additional information is because I wanted to see the spread on this opening page, and how to do it is you go to that sign beside quotes there at the top left, those 3 bars. If I click it, you will see manage account, and you go to settings. Down there, you see settings. I click settings. I will check advanced mode. Once I check it, I go back to my page. You see a lot more information on each of those items. Now I see the low and the high. I see the spread. I see the time as well. So this is additional information which you will know, as you continue to trade. Other things that you might need to know is down there. We have the charts. We have the charts for whatever you are trading. You can see the graph to help you. The next one down there is the trading page, your trading page and all those ones. But how do you get here? Let's open an account with a broker first. How do I open an account with a broker? Okay. Let's assume, because this is an account already open, but let's assume you are just fresh. You don't have an account. What you will do, once you install the Metatrader4 on your phone, you have a default account. But it's not a broker's account. It's just a default account. You need to open a broker's account. How do you do that? You tap that 3 bar at the top left. Tap it. Okay. You will see manage account at the top. Manage accounts. I click on manage accounts. I see here, these are accounts that are already open. But for you, you might see only one in your own case. I tap plus. Once that you see open a demo account or log into an existing account. If you have an account existing, you click log into an existing account and you give the details of that account you already have before. But if you don't have any accounts, you want to just open a demo account, you click on open demo account. And then it has where you find a broker, and there are many brokers, I'll tell you. I know some of you know broker. Maybe you can help me. Let's send chat. Give me any broker that you know. Give me any broker that you have heard of. Type their names in. Let's see if they have a demo account. This is live. So type in any broker for any one of you that you have ever have a relationship with a broker. Can you type it in? I'm waiting. I don't have much time tonight. Someone say IQ. If that is their short name, IQ. Is that okay? Global IQ. Okay, I can see IQ Global Evolution also there. Whatever their short name is, there is FXCM. Someone say FXCM. FXTM. The FXCM or the demo of account, the demo account is showing. Someone has typed in XM. XM. Okay. I don't know whether that is their full name. There is Antec. I have a friend there, their country manager. That is Antec account. So any broker that you choose, just put in their name. Alt Forex, Alpari, put in their names, and you will see all their demo accounts. And you will choose any demo accounts that you want to open to start your practice. For me, the account I normally use is Infinox because I have known them, I've tested them, and I am comfortable with them. So I open an account with Infinox, and I open with their first item, that the first one there, Infinox Capital, Demo BHS. The other one, I understand might not be too, might not be too okay for us in this part of the world. So the first one is what I open. I click it, and then, but because I have open account before, you see it has brought in all my details. But for you, you will see it empty. You have to put in your names, you have to put in your telephone, and maybe your email. And then your account information, you have to click in all those details, choose whether it is whatever account you want to do. STP is standard account, ECN is a different account. Okay? Don't ask me the difference now. Well, I choose STP, dollar. I'm trading in dollar. And I'm sure all of you will be trading in dollar. But in case you are going to be trading in any currency, choose that currency that you're going to be trading in. This is where the leverage I talked about yesterday, this is where you set up the leverage. And yesterday we used leverage of 1 to 200. I'm choosing 1 to 200. I can actually, this broker can give me all to 1 to 500. But that is killing. That is disaster for me. I just want to find 200. And let me see the currency. How much capital do I want to practice with? Let's choose the lowest amount there, which is 3,000. We choose $3,000. The lowest, that is what the broker is offering you to trade with, to practice with. And then I click create account. You can see it has created this account for me. And that is how you create an account with a broker, a demo account. Okay? And you must note this down somewhere because this is where your login details is and your password. Write it down somewhere so that when anything happens to your account, you want to open it again, you can have the details available to you. All right? That is the very simple way to open an account. That is done. And my account is open automatically for me. You can see what I told you earlier on when you are just opening, this one just gave me only 10 details. So what do I do if I want to add more? I go to this plus sign at the top right. I click the plus sign. I go to Forex Major. I can pick all, as I'm clicking, it is going to my opening page. I go to Forex, other Forex. As I click, it is going there. What else do I need? Oh, maybe I want, you want to trade in commodities. You click on commodities. Whatever commodities they have, you click it. Natural gas, cotton, copper, coffee, cocoa, wheat, sugar, soya, whatever they have there that you want to trade in, you can trade in them. Okay? And once I go back to my opening page, everything that I clicked is there. You can actually click everything there and they will come here. Okay? Click everything and they will come and you have it. This is how you open an account. How do you now trade? Very simple. You have installed a Metatrader4 on your phone. You have opened an account with a broker. Okay? Now you have an account, a demo account, live on your phone, and you now want to trade. How do you trade? If you look down of my screen on that page, you see three things. The first one on the left is showing like arrow up, arrow down. The next one is showing that there are three people standing. Another one showing like a fork. Another one showing like a book and whatever. All those things down there, they mean certain things. The first one is where you have all these things you are seeing right now. The first one, all these things you are seeing, that is what is there. That is where we have the market watch. I will call the market watch. The next one is where the chart is. And my chart is showing black right now. But it is me that did it that way. I can actually amend it. I can actually amend this. If I click that 3 bar at the top left, I click that 3 bar. I go to my setting, I go to colors, and I can change the background. You can see at the top there, background is in black. Let me put it in white now. Okay, I put it in white. Once it is done, I go back to that page. Now it is showing white. You can see. And you can put indicators. Indicators are those things that will help you in some of those decisions that you're making. And Metatrader4 have inbuilt indicators. Of course, there might be some indicators that you might need to install because maybe they didn't have it on phone. There are some indicators also that might not be able to enter your phone. You might need to have a laptop to be able to have those indicators installed on your MT4. But whatever it is, this is where your charting is. Where you see, if I put it on landscape, If I put it, okay, I think my phone is not showing landscape. Let me quickly enable it. And if I put it on landscape, it shows, makes it a lot bigger, and I can see the charts of of whatever I want to see. Right now, I'm looking at the chart of Euro USD, and I can see the movement in prices up and down. What you are seeing there is what we call the candlesticks. And candlesticks is a topic, a full topic of its own that we cannot take here. And that is why we know that for as many of you that truly want to move forward, that wants to know this, you might need to go to the advanced class, or you look for a place to learn this. Okay, look for somewhere else to learn this. If you can't make it to, because the class we're having right now, the next advanced class, the professional class, might be the last one that we hold, because we've been doing this since the lockdown. We've now been doing training in our offices. So let's do this for people, and we can't stop, but we have to stop because some other businesses that we do, which we also show to you later. This is your chart. The next thing there I want to show you, let me go back. The third thing is where your trading will take place. The third thing there, with that one that look like fork, if I click it, you see my trading, the $3,000 that I opened is still there. I have not traded, so nothing has happened to it. Once I start to trade, it will start to show down there. And any of my previous trading will show as history. If I look at the fourth item there, it shows history. Now there's no history there. You can see if I tick the top, if you look at that, the icon at the top right, and that look like a radio. If I click it, you see this. It shows if you want to see the activities today on your account that you have closed, all the trading you have closed today, you see it there. The one for the last 7 days, the last 30 days, the last 90 days, or you can customize it, okay, to take a trade. So this is your MT4. This is where trading takes place. This is where money is made. But of course, you need to understand how to take a trade. Let me do something. Let me just do a run through of just briefly how trading can take place on your MT4. Let me go back to my opening page. Now, this is where we have the market watch. This is where the market watch is. Let's assume I want to take a trade and I want to trade AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD, you can see what the market is offering, the buy and the sell. Now, there is a process for trading that I will show you shortly. There's a process for trading. The first process is that you must know what is it that you want to trade in. Just like we said yesterday, what is it that you want to trade in? Oh, it is AUD USD. Fantastic. That means you know what you are trading. Or is it gold that you want to trade? Or is it currencies, commodities you want to trade in? Or is it cryptocurrency? Whatever it is that your choice is, that is what you are going to trade in. I am choosing for analysis purposes that I want to trade AUD USD. So what do? I just tap AUD USD. That's the second one there. I tap it and I have a drop down, new order, open charts, symbol properties, and all those ones. Now, if I don't know what to do here, I don't know whether I'm going to buy or sell. If I open the charts, let's say I open the charts for AUD USD now, it's going to open the chart for me. And let me put it on a landscape to just see. Now, this is a landscape view of AUD USD, and I'm looking at analysis based on 1 hour. Now, let me remove that that indicator that is showing there. I'm going to remove it. Don't worry. All this one we will teach you. I've removed it now. Now, I have this happening on my trade. Is it going to go for a sell or for a buy? Knowing that going down is a sell, right now, it seems as if it is selling, okay? Now, as I'm entering now, is this thing going to continue a sell or is going to go back? I don't know. I need to do a bit of analysis, but just for the sake of this class, let me assume it's going to go for a sell. What do? I go back to my opening page, to my page, and I click on AUD USD. I do new order. New order. Okay? I click on new order. It opens a trading page for me for AUD USD. What do I want to do? I want to sell. That is what we had agreed we should do. But the first thing you will do, as I mentioned to you yesterday, you have to give the instruction, the order size, the lot size of your trading. And your lot size should be where I have that cursor blinking there. And yesterday we said the lot size, you have to be careful with how you use your lot size. Don't be too aggressive. Yes, you want to make money, but you have to do it slowly. Otherwise, you can lose your money. So let's say we want to use 0.02 lot size to our trade. Now, there are so many ways to enter into a trade. You can enter instantly, or we do what we call pending order. Pending order means the price that you are seeing right now, you don't like it. You want to give the market your own price, the price that we want to trade. That, okay, the price is showing 80 naira for this item, but 80 naira seems to be too expensive. I want to buy. If the price can come down to 78 naira, I will buy. And so you give the market your own quotes, and you say, this is what, if the price comes to, I will buy. Because your expectation is that where the price is right now is not good enough for you. You believe price should still go down, and once it goes down, it will pick your trade, and then it will start to go up for you to sell and make a profit. So that is what we call pending order. But let's say the price you see right now is good enough for you, for you to sell. So what do? You can see sell by market there. You see by the middle there, you see buy by market. So what I want to do is I want to sell now. The market price is okay for me. So I click sell by the market, and bam, it is done. Remember what I told you yesterday? The first thing you will see in a trade is a red, which is the spread of your broker, the fee that you are paying to your broker. I think it's about 34 cents. The minute we enter, it showed about 34 cents. Now, because the market is almost selling immediately, it looks as if the 34 cents is reducing. So the first thing you will pay is the fee to your broker. Once this is cleared, then it goes to blue and you start to make profit. That is how it is done. Now, this trade that I have here, it is open trade. I have not created a stop loss. I have not put a take profit. And those two things are very key, as we said yesterday. Don't open an account and leave it unchecked. Okay? How do we do it? If I just put my finger, if I tap on this, my trade here, that AUD, if I tap on it, it tells me that I do not have SL. It's not in play. Is this stop loss? Someone is show me the screen. We are showing the screen. We are showing the screen. I don't know whether your own phone cannot see. I hope everybody can see the screen. Is there anyone that cannot see my screen? Can you type yes if you cannot see my screen? Anyone that cannot see the screen? Okay. My brother, you seem to be alone. Oh, Dima says he can see. So that means maybe you have a challenge with your network. You can see that this trade is paying its fee already. Very soon it might go into a profit, and that is how it happens. If it has gone the other way, that amount will have been, that rate will have been increasing. That means we didn't enter the market very well, and it is going against us. Now we want to put our stop loss, SL, and our take profit. And what stop loss we do is that in case this trade did not go our way, it start to go against us. Instead of selling, it is buying. that means the loss will be accumulating. Okay? Instead of selling, it is buying. That means the loss will be increasing. So we need to set a stop loss. Also, in case it is selling, which is what we expected, we want to say at what level should the market close and give us our profit, which we call take profit. So let's quickly do that. What we do by that is what we call modification. Modification. How do I do that? I put my finger on that trade for about a second, then you see this drop down. I will click modify order. Did you see it? Modify order. I click on modify order. I now have to put in my stop loss and my take profit. Remember why we have to do this is to make sure that your account is protected. Okay? Where do I put my stop loss? You see that red line at the top where we have 0, 0, where my cursor is showing now? That is where my stop loss will be. And my take profit will be on the green line on the other side. For those of you that you are using Android phone, if you are using Apple products, okay, it will be written there. You will see stop loss and take profit. So what do we want to do now? We want to put a stop loss. A stop loss in this place. We have entered this market. If you look at the top of my screen, you will see modify order. The number is there. Then you see this account is a sell at 0.02 lot size, AUD USD at 0.71920. That is the price that we sold. That's the price. Now, let's say I want to, my stop loss, let's say my stop loss is 20 pips. 20 pips. I am selling. If I want to set a stop loss for 20 pips, I will be adding that stop loss to whatever my entry price is. Because when I am selling, I'm expecting price to come down for me to make a profit. If price begin to go up, it is a loss for you. Don't worry, if you don't pick it immediately, it is you are learning for the first time, you will understand it a lot more in due course. Let's assume it is going to be 20 pips I want to add to this. So my entry price is 0.7192. Remember, we stop our quote at the 4th decimal place. Okay? Now, if I want to add 20 pips, 20 pips, we mean 0.0020. Yes, it's every trade, Messi, that you should put stop loss. Otherwise, that trade is open and it could really hurt you, especially if you are just starting to trade. You must put stop loss. Okay? You must put stop loss. So, if I want to do this, 20 pips is 0.0020. If I'm adding it to 0.7192, that means it will be 0.7212. Don't ask me, eh? Some of you that are 0.721. Oh my God, let me do that again. 0.7212. What did I do? 20 pips is 0.0020. That is what we did yesterday, okay? Now I want to add that to my existing price, which is 0.7192, okay? That will give me 0.7212. Eh? I hope I'm right. I should be. Don't worry. Then my take profits, which is where I want the trade to go. Let me say my expectation is that I've said that I will be doing this, whatever I put as my risk, double of it is what I expected for my reward. Okay? So if I use 20 pip for my risk, which is my stop loss, my reward, which is my take profit, will now be double of that. So that will be 40 pip, which means 0.0040. Okay? For me to set a take profit for a sell, you are expecting price to come down in a sell for you to make profits. So that means you must deduct it from the entry price. Our entry price is 0.7192. I want to deduct. Someone is asking for a video even before we finish. Bless. Eh? Listen to me first. Don't assume we won't know it. you are assuming you will know it. You are hoping that you can see the video to know it. You can know it. Eh? Let me add 0.0040 to this. And I know what is wrong to you. The moment you start hearing figure, your brain went into a lockdown. Don't worry. This is what you'll be doing. 0.7. This is minus. I want to minus 7152. Okay? For those of you that know what I'm talking about, I'm sure you are happy that yes, at least you know how to calculate. Someone says same thing with you. I know there are a lot of you there, but let me tell you. Okay, let me finish this first. Now I have set my take profits. I have set my, my take profit and my stop loss. Now you can see modify in the middle there. If what I said is wrong, if maybe I didn't set it properly, that modify will not show. And you'll be telling me, I set this thing, the modify did not show. It means you didn't do something right. So if I click modify, it has modified my trade. Now, if I go into that trade, this trade has gone into a big loss right now. That means the trade is, I will show you the chart. See, if I click on this trade, you now see that I have my stop loss and my take profit already. Now, this trade is secured. If it goes against me, the worst case is that I lose 20 pips. And I know that 20 pips will not kill my account. It's only probably just about 1% of my entire account, which I can live with. 1% of 3,000 is just $3. So if I lose $3 from 3,000, is it $3 or $30? $30. I won't die. Okay? So that is how it is. Let me show you the chart for this trade. Let me show you the chart for this trade. Now I'm going to, this is the chart. Let me just widen it. Okay? See, we entered at 0. You will see a red and a blue line there. And then under it, you will see, okay, that thing is covering it because you see a dotted green line there. That is our entry price. Then above it, you see a red line at around 0.7214. That is our stop loss that we enter. Remember, our stop loss is 0.7212. You remember? That line. So if this graph starts to go up, once it hits that line, it will close this trade. My take profit is down there. Let me shrink it. You see it down there. That is where I want my trade to go. 0.71, is it 52 or something like that? That's where I want it to go. Once it goes down, it will close the trade and give me my profit. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how this is done on phone. This is how it is done on phone. What I normally suffer is that I don't normally have enough time to be able to show you how this is done on laptop. But what I normally do, the beautiful thing is that tomorrow I have someone that is coming in who will do the favor for me, show you how this can be done on your laptop. So tonight, all that we have done tonight, let me just quickly summarize everything for you. All that we have done tonight, we had understood who a broker is. We know that Metatrader4 now is a platform where your trading takes place. We know how to install MT4 on our phone, and we know how to create an account. Also, we have learned tonight how to add currency, to create a broker's account, to open a trade, to do instant execution. We could not do pending orders, but we learned how to enter lot sizes, to locate the stop loss and the take profit, how to modify your trade. Now, quickly, let me tell you how if you want to withdraw from your account. Remember, when you are trading, and let me tell you, don't expect to withdraw from a demo account. Don't expect to withdraw from a demo account. Okay? Demo account is a demo account. The money is not yours. The money is for your broker. They are giving it to you to trade with. The money comes back to them. If you make 1 million profit from a demo account, what it tells is that you are a very good trader. Now you can go and open your own live account and start trading it. But demo account, you can't withdraw money from it. So how do you move money? Remember, you will have opened a live account with your broker. You will have put your own money in that live account, and you are trading that account. If you trade, you make profits, your account will grow. So let's say you put $500. You have traded for 2 weeks. Your account has grown by $100, which is fantastic. That would have been fantastic. Okay? And now you want to withdraw your $100. How do you do it? The money will be in your trading account. You have to move it to your wallet. The process is very simple. You have to do this from the platform of your broker. This is not from your MT4 anymore. Your broker, where you have opened account, they will have created a back office for you. Okay? So you will log in with your details on your broker's account and your password. Then you go to your account, you will move the money, the $100 from your trading account to your wallet. It's like moving money from an investment account to your current account. Okay? Then from your current account with your broker, you will move it to your bank. Okay? But let me tell you also, before you can do this successfully, you must have satisfied the broker with all the documentation. So when you open an account, make sure you have provided all the necessary documentation to your broker, means of identification, evidence of residency, utility bills, and give them a 1-page of your bank statement. You know, not all you don't go and print 1 month bank, just the 1 page. All they want to see is your name, your address, your bank account name, and your bank account number. And that account is the only account that money will ever move to for you. Okay? And so it is to protect you. You must do this. Otherwise, the day you want to withdraw money, someone called me this morning and we had to go through this challenge. But fortunately for her, I was able to resolve it, help her to call the brokers to do certain things. So you must have met this requirement. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, that is what I thought you should know today. What we have done is that we have created an account. We have also taken the trading decision, which involve choosing the currency to trade, deciding whether to buy or sell. We decided to sell. At what price to trade? We decided to do instant execution. We couldn't do pending order today. Time is always not on our side. We are putting our stop loss, our take profit, and our loss sizes. And that trade is complete. If that trade goes our way, we see a profit. For those of you that want to know how to do this one, watch this again. I will do something for all of you. I'm going to send to all the platform for you to take a trade. I will say to take a trade. You choose a particular pair, go and take that trade, and then see whether you can do that process of opening an account and all those ones on your phone. Okay, just practice with it between today and tomorrow, so that what you have learned does not leave you. Wow, 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 wow! It's been a wonderful day. That is how to make money on trading. That's how to make money. It's very simple. In between it, you will need to do a bit of learning. But once you start the way we have started with you, don't be in a hurry. Do it gently. Do it gradually. You will make a lot of mistakes initially, but as time goes on, those mistakes will reduce, and you get to the basic minimum. Okay? Remember what I told you. Losing is part of this game. You will lose some trade. You will lose some trading. Okay? But as time goes on, you will begin to profit more than you're losing. Thank you, everybody, for your attention this night. If what I said tonight has made sense to you, can you give me 777? If it makes sense to you, if you have any questions, can you type it in? Mr. Popola is coming on board. He's going to answer all your questions. Give 777 if what I said tonight has made sense to you. And then if you have questions, Mr. Popola, if you are in the house, I hope he has not gone to the professional class. Are you there,
All
sir?
right.
You are there?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes, sir. Wow, that's awesome, awesome. Great training there. I think every person, new person should be able to have good understanding of this, and you should be able to open your account yourself, and you should be able to take trade. Mr. Kole, thanks so much for trying to make it as simple as possible for every beginner. Thank you so much. We celebrate you, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, for those of us, quickly, so that we can just wrap it up, a lot of people who are calling. Okay, let me see. Somebody is saying, let's quickly take, I don't understand anything, especially the Pips calculation. You can't just understand everything now.
It was not in class yesterday. That is it. It was not there.
Maybe you are not. If you watch the video again, you will get it. And then these are the things that we're going to be doing in depth, more calculations, more on how to do it at the professional class. Please kindly send the video lessons to us. Yes, of course, you will see the one for Monday and Tuesday. It's already there too. We are going to post this one also. Sir, please, can you post the videos of days 1, 2, 3 on the platform? Okay, we've done that. We've been posting each day, but at the end of all, we are going to send you links to all of them combined together. All right? But we can still try to send that to you. Please, can you revisit the Pips calculation? Pips calculation, as I said, will be done. Go and watch this video again. That's why it's a privilege to be there. You get more learning. Please, I need you to throw more light on Pips cap. Oh, wow, a lot of people want to know. You want to know Pips calculation? Yes, the Pips is when I tell people your life will be Pipsful, that's all how we greet ourselves. Please, where are the videos of the previous lessons? Okay, maybe we will repost them again. They are in the group chat. Is opening live account same process with the demo account exactly, except that some informations will not be requested from you by the broker, your international passport or any international ID card, for them to be able to identify who you are. I am new here. I will download the Metatrader4. Do I get one-on-one training? Yes. The people that get the one-on-one training are the people that are on the professional class. We can't do one-on-one training for this large. This class is large, man. So, sir, is the process of opening my Metatrader4 account, they never demanded for any password, and now I don't have password to provide in opening my broker's account. No, you don't need a password to open your broker's account. You can just register with the broker. The broker, when you are set, we are going to, after this meeting, we send the link that you can use to open your broker's account with the broker in the group chat. You are all doing great, sir. Great job, sir. Oh, thank you, Mr. Michael. Awesome. We appreciate that. The videos are not in the group chat. Which of the group chats are you, sir? Omar? Which of the group chats? All the videos are in all the group chats, the 1 and 2. Please, I need a video because I joined tonight. Okay, Ike, we are going to kind of repost the videos again. I think people are requesting for that. Sir, explain to us the usefulness of leverage. Wow, that is a training. That's dedicated. This is a training in the advanced class. Is a training in the advanced class because leverage is very, very important. Let nobody say I give 1,000 leverage and you're happy. So can I use my national identity? Yes. Once it's a national ID card, yes. Need more light on the stop loss and take profits. Yes, Patrick. You know, 1 hour is too short. It's too short. It's too short. So the advanced class is 2 hours. As I'm speaking now, it is going on right now. It's 2 weeks. Okay, thanks so much, okay, can I use national? I think I've said that. So let me just, for those people that are asking on the advanced class, I want to please beg of you, ladies and gentlemen, don't let me say I'm begging. Let me request of you, try to be in that advanced class. It will help you. It will help you. Check what your income is currently. What is your present income? Just like I share with people, I say, I promised you at the beginning of the class that I was going to explain a little bit of financial management to us. If you look at what is my current income, if your income is let's say your income is 150,000 naira. Let me just assume. I know most of you here, you are making more than that. But let's say it's 150,000 naira a month. Now, 150,000 naira is divided by 30. That gives you about 5,000 naira a day. Now, take your house rent. Divide your house rent by 350 and by 365. And see what it comes to. Subtract it from that 5,000. Take your children's school fees, add them together, divide for the whole year, divide by 365. Whatever it gives you again, subtract from that 5,000. How much do you spend on food in a month? Add it together, divide by 30, subtract from that 5,000. What your NEPA bill, just do them one by one. Then you will see whatever the figure you come up with. If you now have deficit, it will tell you, oh, you have 2,000 naira deficit, then you will know that 2,000 times 30, you need an income that will generate about 60,000 naira income extra for you every month. That is why we say, learn this skill so that you can get it. Now, look at this place here. The 2 weeks acquisition is 2 weeks skill acquisition program from August 10 to August 21st. August 10 to August 21st. And what are you going to be learning? We are going to be taking all these things again. Understanding the financial market, basic tips. Can you see the person asking for leverage? You see spread, lot size. How do you do lot size management? Risk management. You're going to be teaching you how you will never lose. See, anytime I say it, people say, are you sure? But then don't miss this class on Friday. I'm going to give you a snippet on Friday, how you will never lose your portfolio again in life. Again. Now, how do you create a broker's account? We go deep into that and technical analysis support. Then look at this. We have reversal pattern plus focus on harmonics and BTMM crossover. Now, tomorrow, you are going to have the privilege of having that man who is going to be taking us on this. He's currently taking the advanced class now. He's one of the few persons in Nigeria that understands the BTMM. When you say BTMM, we mean beat the market maker. Please, sir, take money that you are taking from the beginning. You know what is taking. All right. So continue this. So this is a trading strategy that we train our students. So the man is going to be coming up tomorrow. Don't miss tomorrow's class. He's going to be teaching that one of the strategies just free so that everybody can use it. But then at the advanced class, is going to be in more detail. Now here, more about candlesticks, engulfing candle, pin bars and hammer and all these stuff, trading psychology and things, then trading plan, how you to never blow your account in the market. So those are the things that we'll be looking at. Then we also have tools for beginners. I explained some tools, the superpower tool, the strategy that helps us to just take the market cycle wave, market wave cycle, that helps you to understand how to just take without doing analysis that will lead to paralysis. The buy, sell signals and things, the scalper. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced student, you can easily use any of these tools. All right. Now that's the tool there. You can look at it. It gives you something like this, the harmonic pattern. By this is not the normal Bollinger Band that you always see. This is special program written that helps you to identify market direction. Gives you very, very high profitable trades. Now, also those of you asking for investment and things, the investment platform, while you are learning the system, some of our traders will be trading for you and you'll be, enjoying the income. This is what the income looks like, over the period of time. You can get more. We'll be explaining more on the close of the business. All right. Now, for those of you that want to be part of this training coming up on Monday, The 2 weeks training is a paid class, but with high quality. The professional class training is 15,000 naira. And just like I told us, nobody trains you Forex for 15,000 naira. Nobody trains you stock market for 15,000 naira. Why we even take money is to be able to do continuous advertisement for people that want to come in. So that's why we do this 15,000 naira for the 2 weeks, 2 hours on daily basis. All right. So don't miss it. It's a great opportunity and privilege. After this, we may not do the professional class now, maybe until maybe next year, because we'll be starting something novel by next week there after this class. And some of you might be opportune to be part of it. A lot of people asking, how do I get money? How do I raise money for my business? We have a special program that is going to, let me even clip it out. There's a cooperative program that we are starting that you just keep in touch. Don't leave the group. Stay in the group so that you can get the information. You need interest-free loan and things. We're already doing that something. So here, if you want to take the superpower tool and you want to attend the professional class also, that gives you about 80,000 naira. That one is 80,000 naira. You don't pay renewal, you don't pay subscription. Once you get the tool, it is yours for the rest of your life, and you continue to make money with it. Now, for you to be part of it, just make this payment to this account, Rich Vision Consultancy Limited, First Bank, account number 2022-230913. Now, please, don't pay money to any person. We don't have agents representing us anywhere. So people are contacting people in the group chat and telling them, pay this. Please don't be scammed. And communicate. If you have to call or communicate, please, only this number here, 080 20 64 41 07. We have limited space. We can't take much people for that training because of mentorship. In that after that training, we provide one-on-one mentorship. We provide one-on-one mentorship. You'll be in our group chat, new trades. Maybe if you want to see there are in different professional class. You will see where we have look at it. You chat, in this chat group that you are now, we are not, okay, let me see, professional. Okay, you can see this professional class. This, you see professional class 8, you see professional class 7. You can see that. And you see the students here. I want to see the students. Look at this. Use this to cover yesterday's trade. I love the candlestick strategy, so sweet. You understand? That's a student. That's one of the trainees. You can see the performance. Look at the performance. We talk, ladies and gentlemen. Look at my trade today using the market structure. That is what they were taught in the class, and most of them are already practicing it. That's professional class 7. Professional class 8 is ongoing now. All right. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. Look, this is the communication. You'll be interacting with other people in that class. Look at. See somebody here saying super combo at work. Again today. Bye-bye. Can you imagine? It said bye-bye to analysis that's always in the advanced class. You get. So I just showed you that some of those communications there, so that you know that it's not that we're starting, you are the startup project. That's so if you are coming in now, your class is professional class 9. So ladies and gentlemen, it's been wonderful talking with you. Please, I want, if you can, attend the professional class. It will help you. Now, I want you to, for those of you that are looking at building a career with this, please give me these 3 minutes. I want you to pay attention to this audio. We call it the Forex song. Just please pay attention to it. It will help you in your career.
At first you lose when learning trading art, but don't give up, just try to have some patience. Of course you think that game will be so easy. Such business is as cruel as the rest. Don't let your wins just make your head be dizzy. If stay and trade, result will be the best. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Some time will pass and you will see the trading is not so hard for those who there long. There's always one whose help is there waiting, and finally you'll keep your profit strong. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. You know that only Forex will give you continued getting better. Just don't give up, be in a deal, and know that Forex only matter. Forex is my life.
All right, that is it. It's just to encourage somebody there who is planning to take this thing as a career. Somebody said, please, sir, my group chat is not opening. I don't know what you mean by that. The group chat is there. I will join the advanced class by God's grace. I can't afford to miss it. Wow, thank you, Mr. Adejobi. King Donald said, how do I join the advanced class? Okay, I will put it on the screen again and we'll put the information in the group chat. How can I join the advanced class? Okay, we repeat the information again. Thank you guys, you are doing good job. Thank you, Philomena. Thank you very much. God bless you. I am in Read Vision Lockdown Training 7 is the group. Okay, okay. No, it's on. The group is on. Maybe you can send message to that number again. We can put you up in the group. I want to join the advanced class, but how much is the real account one can deposit in MT4? I think I had something like $200, which I can't afford for now. Train yourself first before you start talking of putting money in the account. Get the skill first. Somebody said, Ali said, wow, great, okay. Please, sir, take money that you are taking from the beginning. Please, sir, take money that you are taking from the beginning. Yes, in the beginning it was 10,000, but now the radio stations, just like we said, if you look at the last class, now we have about 20 people in the advanced class, which is 10,000. That's 200,000, is that not? If you look at us now, we did advert in about 5 radio stations, and each of the radio stations is charging nothing less than 50,000 naira for the 10 minutes. When you hear us talking like as if Yam is burning the mouth, you are fast. It's because the 10,000, the money is worth. So to make up the gap, you understand? That's why we do 15,000, just to clear, let the program service itself, let the event pay for itself. So So why not you guys extend the training time? You can see, if you can see on the screen now, people have started leaving. So in the advanced class, people can afford to take time. But in this class, not everybody can stay. I know you, Sir Popola. Wow, you are a blessing to this generation. Don't use you guys. Okay, don't use you guys for these men of valor. Okay. Wow, thank you very much. I know you are making it. Thank you very much, Mr. Michael. Maybe I know you, I might see you. It is well. Thank you very much for that compliment. I mean the fees for the professional classes is 10,000. Yes, it used to be 10,000. I just explained why, so that it can take care. We can continue training more people. If you can't go on air again, we won't be able to train more people, and it will be challenging for us to be drawing money from our pockets to do the radio stuff. All right. The training, I must confess, is so insightful. We'll definitely attend the advanced class. Great. Thank you, Mr. Anthony. We'll be expecting you there. I will definitely attend. Great. Thanks, Sas. All right. You are welcome. Wow, this amazing Forex is my mission. Yes. God bless you, sir. Yeah, I'm joining the advanced class. Wow, hope to see you there. Can show me the screen. Wow, okay. I can see it. Well, let's just go. We got to go with you. Please let this video be available on YouTube after the class so we can still make use of it. Yes, it's going to be available. The same thing with me. Oh, yes. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So much comments here. We just gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. All right. So hopefully we're going to see you tomorrow by the grace of God. Prepared to learn some simple trading strategy. You are going to be meeting the man we call the Bishop of Pips. My prayer for you that you have a wonderful night rest. Have a successful day tomorrow, and let us meet in class again tomorrow by the grace of God. Your friend and partner again, Olushola Popola. Thank you.